May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, item number 27 and 57, Lordship. Lordship may not like
27.
to- Lordship may not like to take up.
Okay.
27
27.
and 57.
57.
Supplementary item 57 also, Lordship.
Okay. This is the case, 27. Before any other bench without me. Naam to likhi dibo. I am Chaudhary J. 27.
Deeply obliged.
57. Same.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention for listing my content case, my lord, 2022.
Motion.
No, my lord, my order.
Okay, give it to the court master.
Yes, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? I'm praying for listing of a matter, your lordship.
Admission.
No, your lordship, for motion stage.
Motion stage.
Yes, my lord, the urgency is that, your lordship, the petitioner's father has two wives, had two wives. As my lord.
When do you want?
My lord, today itself.
No, Monday.
My lord, my respectful submission is that, your lordship, if this matter will not be taken up today, the respondent authority will release the whole pensionary benefit to his father, late father's second wife, your lordship. That is why I prayed before.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing for admission, Lordship. I repeat.
Admission. What matter?
Lordship, it's a punishment, Lordship. Petitioner has been served with a major punishment.
Admission?
Yes.
Give it to the court master.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
11.
Lordship,
Yes.
Maybe password for the day. Today,
On the prayer of
Personalized.
Mr. L.R. Majumdar, Learning Counsel for the petitioner, the case is passed over for the day. You have informed? Okay. You have informed the other side.
Lordship, it is
Inform it. Inform.
SGI Lordship.
May I please,
Inform.
Lordship, in item number 18, due to some personal difficulty of my senior, matter may be adjourned for the day, your lordship.
Okay.
We are already sub.
On the prayer of Miss
That's your lordship.
Adas, Learning Counsel appearing for the petitioner, the case is passed over for the day. A mentioned memo to that effect has already been circulated yesterday.
My Lordship. With the concern of others, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship. 17.
17.
Matter
You
may
are
be-
for whom?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Petitioner, Mr. Upadhyay.
Upadhyay. Yes, Upadhyay.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. S. Upadhyay, Learning Counsel for the petitioner, the case is passed over for the day. For the day.
Yes.
Okay, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learning Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer.
May please, your Lordship. Like to mention item number 40, Lordship.
1440.
Lordship 40, Lordship.
40.
Lordship, it's a contempt matter, Lordship. The order has been complied with.
Okay, Mr. Mr. HK.
Lordship, HR does.
HR Das.
Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that since the petitioner has already, since the order has been complied with, the petitioner is not pursuing the matter any further. Full stop.
Lordship, I am paying for respondent
Mr.
number
H.
7.
Kolia, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
7.
7. Okay, is in attendance.
May I please, your lordship?
In view of the above submission made by so-and-so, the contempt petition is closed.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing WPC lordship for admission lordship.
Admission, okay, give it to the court master.
My lord, item number 53, my lord.
53,
I understand, my lord, your lordship is rising at 1 today. So.
not rising at 1, but 3 o'clock, not possible to
Yes.
complete.
Yes. It's,
Some other tribal deduction, you get it from the court master the next date.
Yes, my lord. Yes, ma'am. I'm grateful.
May I please, your
Due to early rising of the court, last at 3:15 for reference. The case could not be taken up today. Leave the case on so and so as part heard. Item
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'm paying for listing of this matter in
53, huh?
the admission column lordship.
Okay.
That is your Lordship. Praying for listing of a IA, which in writ petition in the civil writ.
For
IA in 3943.
for what relief?
A relief is that we are filing this IA since during the pendency of the writ, an appeal was disallowed. So now we are challenging that one through the IA. So in the,
Appeal was delayed. Okay.
yes, regarding
Okay.
the department,
Okay. Okay.
2 months have been already passed.
Give it to-
Obliged.
You file it normally, it will come.
No, already filed on
Ah.
3/6, but it not in list.
Wait, please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. It's a
Item number?
10. It's a
10.
motion meter, Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly fix From another date, Lordship, kindly
Wednesday.
for today, Lordship.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Lordship.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
US Bora.
Yes, bro, learning counsel for the petition. This is the case on Wednesday.
Please, Your Lordship, item 26, admission matter. My senior is not well today, so she could not appear. I kindly request Your Lordship.
You are Miss
M. Borua.
M. Borua, learned counsel appearing for Miss K. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Has made a prayer for adjournment. As sought for, leaves the case after a week on a date to be fixed by the office.
Pleasure.
May I please, Lordship?
Counsel लिखी दियो.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. Lordship, Mr. A.R. Via, the conducting counsel, could not come today, Lordship, due to his personal difficulty, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
N. M. Ajar Via.
N. A. Major, learned counsel for the petitioner, leaves the case on next Friday.
Lordship, obliged, Lordship.
Acceptable.
Daily list for motion, item 1.
Will issue notice at this stage. Will issue notice at this stage.
Yeah, no, problem is that the earlier commissioner, Mr. Megha Nidhi Sahal, he has been transferred from some other place. New commissioner joined, so I have to implement her also.
Oh. Instead of implementing, you should file afresh then.
That will be better.
Better option.
Again, let us implement my lord.
Then you file an I.
Yes.
You have to file an I then.
Aye, aye.
Okay. We'll adjourn it.
Yes, your lordship can adjourn it with an observation that new commissioner has joined and he has to implement him.
Okay, Mr. A. Das Gupta, Lion Senior Counsel, stated by Ms. B. Das, Lion Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that there is change of the incumbent in the office of the commissioner, Guwahati Municipal Corporation, and therefore, the applicant, also petitioner, needs some time to file an application seeking implement of the new incumbent in the office. First of list the case after a week.
1 week or 2 weeks.
After a week.
Item 2.
Met please, Your Lordship. The contempt petition against my lord, a party person pays 19 my lord. May I read my lord? This writ petition is therefore being disposed of by directing the respondents to conduct and conclude the departmental proceeding within a period of 4 months, i.e. 120
Okay.
days from the date of receipt of a certified copy
Hired
of
Mr. N. Bora, counsel for the petitioner. This contempt petition has been preferred, alleging non-compliance of the direction made in an order, in a judgment and order dated 6/3/2025, passed in a writ petition. WBC number 409/2023. First of it is averred that the judgment, the judgment and order dated so and so has been duly brought to the notice of the respondents. First of issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Steps by registered post with AD within 2 working days from now.
March.
Item number 3.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. On last occasion, an instruction was sought.
Forest is not there after some time.
Lordship. Okay.
Item 4.
Yeah, also the instruction was sought for. The Lordship, we had received the instructions, but instructions are not clear as such. Because they have actually challenged one suspension order. The date of the suspension order in the instruction is different from what is actually shown in this thing, in the writ petition. Annex 2. So some time may be granted to clarify as to what is the actual date, because here it is 3/1/2025. And the instruction it says 1/2.
What is Gaon Pradhan?
Yeah.
Actually, to be honest, my lord, generally this writ petition doesn't lie here. My prayer before your lordship, my lord, that I have filed a representation before the district commissioner,
Ah.
should be disposed of, my lord. That was my,
Okay.
but that instruction, whether it was disposed of or not, that instruction was sought for, my lord.
As per the instruction, the inquiry is actually under process against the petitioner.
So inquiry may go on, suspension, they can decide on the matter of suspension. There is no bar.
There is no.
Page 21 is my.
Heard Mr. N.J. Doctor. Learned. Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. J. Henry, learned standing counsel. Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respondent number 1. And Mr. D. Bora, learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Full stop. The petitioner has approached this court by the instant writ petition agreed by an order dated 3/1/2025, passed by the respondent number 3 and non-disposal of his representation made before the respondent number 3 thereafter on 10/1/2025. Full stop. Para, the petitioner at the time of issuance of the impugn order dated 3/1/2025, the petitioner was serving as a Gaon Pradhan of charge number 2, Rupsi Moja under Bornagar Revenue Circle. Post of. It is stated that in the post of Gaon Pradhan, in the said post of Gaon Pradhan, the petitioner was appointed pursuant to an order dated 7/2/1995, passed by the respondent number 2. And after being appointed, he was serving in the said post to the best of his capacity and ability. Post of. It is by the order dated 3/1/2025, the respondent number 3, based on a report submitted by the respondent number 4, as suspended the petitioner with immediate effect with the approval of the respondent number 2. Post stop. It is mentioned in the order dated 3/1/2025 that it has been reported that the petitioner, as Gaon Pradhan of charge number 2, charge number 2, had taken bribe for MMUA verification process from beneficiaries, an allegation which he has refuted. In his reply, you have submitted reply.
Reply on 10/1/2025.
In his reply submitted on 10/1/2025, in response to a show cause notice dated 7/1/2025. Full stop. Para, the petitioner has approached this court stating that in his reply to the show cause notice, submitted on 10/1/2025. He has also made a prayer for his reinstatement for withdrawal of the suspension order, full stop, as more than 7 months have elapsed in the meantime.
Yes.
And the petitioner has not been informed about his prayer for reinstatement. The petitioner has approached this court by the instant petition. Full stop. Para.
Then
the-
also I preferred an application before the DC also. That is at page 20.
Okay. The petitioner has stated that he also made a representation for withdrawal of his representation before the respondent number 2 also. Also before the respondent number 2. তাৰপিছত দিব এই তাৰপিছত সেই লাইনটো দিব elapse of 7 months. Miss, on the previous date, then it's State Council. On the previous dates of listing of the case, 6/8/2025 and 13/8/2025, the State Council was asked to obtain instructions as regards consideration or otherwise of the representation submitted by the petitioner regarding withdrawal of suspension. First of Mr. Bora has submitted that though he has received instructions, received some instructions, the matter of consideration and disposal of the representation submitted by the petitioner has not been information as regards consideration and disposal of the representation has not been furnished. So, since the petitioner has a limited prayer for consideration and representation of the consideration of the representation submitted by him for withdrawal of the suspension order, this court is of the considered view that instead of keeping the writ petition pending and without adverting to the merits of the prayer for withdrawal of the suspension, the writ petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities, more particularly, the respondent number 2.
Madam, district commission.
To take the representation stated to have been submitted by the petitioner before him on board, and thereafter, to consider and dispose of the representation within a stipulated time period. First off, it is observed accordingly. First off, ordered accordingly. First off, it is the petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 2 to take the representation submitted by the petitioner on before him on board, and thereafter, to consider and dispose of the same by a speaking order as expeditiously as possible, within an outer limit of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order from the petitioner at his office. First off, if the same has not yet been disposed of. So, if the representative has already been disposed of, then a copy of the order is to be furnished to the petitioner within the same time limit. Right? This order disposes of the repetition. I'm deeply aware.
Item number 5.
May please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, has been paid pension, but she has been paid lower pension by deducting the length of service, my lord.
Yes, can we dispose of?
Lordship, on the last date, the finance department wanted to examine it from their end. So I don't know what they have to say.
And I
Yes,
have-
madam.
Government is very good exam and really.
Yes, can it be disposed of or not today? Wednesday then. Okay, Mr. M. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
AK Ghosh on behalf of
A.K. Ghosh, learned counsel representing Mr.
S. Datta.
S. Dotto, learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 1,
4 and 6.
4, and 6.
Yes.
Mr. Dhor, learned additional senior government advocate for the respondent number 2 and 4. And Miss R. M. Borua, learned standing counsel, learned you are standing counsel? Learned counsel representing Mr. H. Chalia. Standing counsel, Finance Department for the respondent number 3, post of learned counsel for the official response. Yes, Mr. Dhor, what is your take on it? I have sought time to examine whether the case of the petitioner is a covered one. As sought for by the land counsel for the respondents, list the case. Wednesday কিমান আছে? সোমবাৰ নেকি? Okay, Wednesday.
Obliged, Lordship.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
39. Item 7.
My lord, kindly come to the impugn order. This seeking the benefit of minimum pay scale, the chainman was working as a chainman since 1994. The impugn.
Where is the impugn order?
Find at page 50, 50.
50?
50. the impugn
50.
order. Whereas Sri Narayan Bora was temporarily appointed as chainman in the office of the Circle Officer Morigao Revenue Circle at fixed monthly remuneration from year 1995 to 97. And whereas Sri Narayan Bora, after his release, has been working in the same office on honorary basis since then, as per reports of the Circle Officer Morigao Revenue Circle, and has prayed for granting of minimum pay scale. Whereas Revenue and DM Department extended benefits of payment of minimum scale to the similarly placed master casual fixed pay workers under Revenue and DM Department were appointed prior to AFRMB Act, wherein it is also mentioned that no such new proposal will be considered further. Whereas Sri Narayan Bora was not employed against any sanctioned vacant post and there is no record of his continuous service till date. Whereas the Honorable Guwahati High Court in its order dated 30/11/21 passed in WPC so and so has not exercised its discretion and allowed the petitioner to approach the authorities with his grievance if so advised. Therefore, the undersigned is pleased to declare that the claim of Sri Narayan Bora is devoid of merit and is disposed of. I have documents with me, my lord, which I have annexed in the petition to show that I was appointed in 1994, got my remuneration till 97, and thereafter I have been serving, even though I have not been receiving any remuneration. And there are certificates from my employer also, which states that I am still there. And this chainman job, my lord, that is like a seasonal employment. Only when the mandal can visit the site is the chainman required. Now, on the very next page, these are the persons, these were chainmen who have been granted the benefit of minimum pay scale.
Your fate was met in the earlier round itself.
My lord, that was dismissed.
It is just putting you on,
One liberty was granted to me.
putting you on only, not exercising discretion. If you get something out of the official response, is okay.
Yes.
Otherwise,
At that
just
point in time-
you were put in a, what I would
And it was
say,
parallelly at that point in time when these persons were granted the benefit of minimum pay scale manner.
who?
The last page, the second last page, page 51. These were chainmen. They were extended the benefit of minimum pay scale as per Upendra.
But my lord, he is not a chainman now. He was chainman for some 2-3 years.
Today I'm only praying for a notice, my lord. I'll satisfy him once he comes up with a reply, and I have documents in my petition to show that I am still working there.
You want to stand on his legs,
My lord, I can.
not
show
on
right
your
now.
leg.
I have been working there. The circle officer has been.
Let him show a document that.
Earlier round, it has been, see, Mr. Bordwal, page 44,
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph 7.
In the present case, the petitioner has purportedly been doing seasonal work. However, it is nothing to show that he has continuously been working till date. Also, the petitioner has not been employed against any regular sanctioned post. Besides the above, this court finds that there are disputed questions of fact which cannot be decided by a writ court. In any event, as the petitioner did not avail the alternative remedy available by first approaching the respondent.
What is your prayers?
My prayer is, my lord, even though I have sought for regulation, but there is an alternative prayer of seeking the benefit of minimum pay scale.
And Mr. P. Bordwal, land counsel for the petitioner. As Doctor, Revenue Disaster 1 and 2, add her additional senior government advocate, some 3 and 4. The petition has been preferred to seal an order dated 28/5/2025, Annex 18. And also for a direction to regularize his service as a chainman in the establishment of the respondent number 3 and 4, which an alternative prayer to grant the benefit of minimum pay scale. Post of issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Doctor 1 and 2 for 3 and 4, extra copy. 2 working days.
Item number 8.
You are generating a fresh cause of action.
Transfer the matter of
Transfer.
transfer. One of this is CDPO matter.
Hmm.
And your lordship kindly see page 16. Page 16.
So what you are alleging?
Madam, I know my limitation, so for transfer is concerned, madam. Here is the case, your lordship, on 26/7/6/25, I was transferred from Baksa to Sidli. I joined 7/7/25. 19/8, I have been again transferred to there.
There is a reliever.
The reliever has not yet come, madam. We made a party, madam.
This is what department?
Yes, department is for the department.
Social welfare. Yes,
BTAD, madam.
BTAD.
BTAD.
Have you?
58 years old, madam. Only had a 2 years remain, madam. And seriously, madam, he is physically ill. He is now still undergoing under treatment of madam Apollo and local doctor also, madam.
Yes, who appears for BTC?
I am appealing.
Or you are making this representative secretary?
Secretary BTA, exponent number 1.
No, this representation is page 31.
Order first by your lordship can see in order page, your lordship can see.
No, no.
Yes.
Your representation.
Page 28, it was passed by the secretary, madam. So it was filed to the soul.
Yes.
Page 28, 29.
Yes, who is for women and child development?
Worship is the transfer subject from impugn order, page 17 annex P.
Yes,
Page 17, not 17,
not 70, 27.
page 28.
That
It is
the
by
idea.
the Secretary, Women and Child Development.
Yeah.
Not by any BTC authority.
Yes.
Yes. Now it is-
So he submitted a representation also to the same authority.
Yes, same authority. It was received on 21 same day, man.
Hmm.
21. What are it, 19?
Hmm.
When I joined, my lord, here only 7.
Yes, can you get instruction?
My lord, notice.
Tuesday,
Yes, my
about the representation.
lord, 1 week's time maybe then. 1 week's time maybe.
That will go on then. Because there is a reliever involved.
We'll obtain instruction. Obtain instruction.
Yes, Mr. Bora. Okay. Let them take instruction, otherwise scope is limited.
That's true, my lord. But here is a case, nobody has joined till today. We have given a statement, my lord. Not even been affected, my lord. Only hardly about 1 month. And idea also I came only June 2024.
Ah, 1 year.
No, that is not now only 1 month, man.
No, your first order of
Your first
transfer
order,
when?
16 year loss of
Page-
joint,
page?
page 16, first order,
First order,
page 16.
1/6,
Yes,
8 January.
8 January. Then your loss of 27 June 25.
I had
Yeah.
Mr. H.R.S. Udril and Senior Counsel State by Mr. A. Hussain and Counsel for the petitioner. D. Bora. Junior Government Advocate,
One.
Assam. For respondent 1, 2, and 5. Mr.
P. Hazarika on behalf of S.R. Rava.
P. Hazarika, Lion Counsel, representing Mr. S. R. Rabba.
For respondent
Responding Counsel BTC. For the respondent 3,
3 and 4.
4.
5 also.
Oh,
I-
5
I
is
will-
there.
No, 5. District Commissioner.
District
BTC.
Commissioner no. There's a comment.
Huh?
It is in the post.
Post of Para. A petitioner is serving in the post of Child Development Project Officer. Post of on 8/1/2024, comma. He was transferred from Sidli the Sidang ICDS project to Baksa within bracket Mosulpur or district Sidang, district Sidang to Baksa within bracket Mosulpur is 16. ICDS project Baksa district Baksa. Post of. As per the order of transfer dated 8/1/2024, comma, a petitioner joined in his transferred place of posting, post of again on 27/6/2025, comma, the petitioner was transferred again to Sidli Sidang ICDS project, district Sidang. Post of.
Then page 28.
On after the order of transfer dated 27/6/2025.
He joined on 7/7/25.
The petitioner joined as CDPO, Sidli the Sidang ICDS project district Sidang on 7/7/2025. Post of.
Then page
By the
28.
impugned order of transfer dated 19/8/2025, whereby a number of
Serial number 13.
CDPOs have been transferred, the petitioner has been transferred to Postim Nalbari ICDS project Nalbari, and in his place,
Serial number 18, my lord.
the respondent number 6
18.
has been transferred from Krishnai Balijana ICDS project, district Balpara. Post of. It is the case of the petitioner that the petitioner has been ailing, has been suffering from various ailments, and for his medical treatment, he had to be hospitalized at Ukraine and New Delhi. In recent times, post-op, the petitioner has stated that he had also suffered a heart stroke. Post-op, ventilating his grievances, with regard to the impugn order of transfer, the petitioner stated to have submitted a representation before the respondent number 1 and the respondent number 2, seeking consideration of his prayer to remain as CDPO. Sidley Sirang, ICDS project, Sirang. Let it be disposed of. 7 days status quo. Mr. So-and-so. Yes, dispose of. Mr. Dhar, learned counsel for the official respondents have submitted that since the petitioner has already made a representation before the respondent number 1, the authority which has issued the notification, impugn order of transfer, by notification dated 19/8/2025. And the petitioner has represented his grievances regarding his difficulties to join in a new place of posting due to health problems, including sufferance of heart stroke, including, I have said, the petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 1 to consider the representation expeditiously and therefore consider and dispose of the representation expeditiously. Post of. The learned counsel for the official respondents have submitted that since against the petitioner, another person, another CDPO has been transferred. Another CDPO, that is respondent number 7, has been transferred. The representation is to be disposed of expeditiously in the interest of public service and administrative exigency. Post of. It has been represented on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is still at is serving as CDPO, Sidli Sirang, ICDS project, District Sirang. Full stop. And the reliever has not yet reported for joining.
That information.
No, I have
He
stated,
said
yes.
it is, I said
Yes.
it, I have put in his name,
Yes, yes, yes.
not in your name. Full
You
stop.
also-
Having regard. Having considered the submissions of the land council for the parties, command is court is of the considered view that instead of keeping this writ petition pending, is of the considered view that since it is the discretion of the competent authority to make orders in the interest of public service and administrative exigency. And on the other hand, the petitioner is suffering from, the petitioner is projecting, has projected that he has been suffering from health problems, including heart stroke, it is the competent authority, that is the respondent number 1, is in the best position to consider the representation of the petitioner stated to have been submitted before him on 21/8/2025 in an with utmost expedition on merits. Full stop. Accordingly, it is directed that the respondent number 1 shall take the representation of the petitioner, said representation of the petitioner on board, and thereafter come to dispose of the same upon consideration on merits. And from the standpoint of administrative exigency and public interest, within a period of 1 week from today. 1 week from today, till the disposal of the, in view of the representation made by, on behalf of the petition, that the petitioner is still at his place of posting, the status quo, as regards the office of the CDPO, Sidli ICDS project, District Swansea, shall be maintained till the disposal of the representation.
If not already joined by the.
Huh?
If not already joined.
What
Projection, I have
what
said
did I-
projections. If projection.
So we have to file representative again or?
No, Mr. Bora, you made a representation. A copy of this order is to be furnished to Mr. Bora, Leonard so for taking necessary steps from his end.
1 week from today or?
1 week from today.
Item 9.
May please, Lord, sir.
K.U. Ahmed for the petitioner. Yes.
Lord, I am playing for.
Agree by rejection of his petitioner's prayer for appointment on compassionate ground by the respondent authority, the petition, which order?
My lord, page 67.
By an order
Last-
dated 12/3/2025.
2025.
12/3/2025. The petitioner has approached this court by the instant petition. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Steps. How many respondents? Steps. Respondents by
respondents.
register post within 2 working days.
Oblige.
Item 12.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, the matter is for non-payment of pension and other.
Non-payment of pension.
Lordship, the fact is that, Lordship, the petitioner was initially appointed as a workshop, Lordship, handyman, Lordship. And there
Okay, will issue notice at this stage.
My lord will issue notice at this stage.
Lordship,
H. Talukdar.
Lordship,
Yesterday,
Petitioner.
my lord has already dealt with almost similar case.
Lordship,
But he is surviving.
Lordship,
Yes,
and Malad, it
surviving,
is
my
pending
lord.
before the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship. On
Huh?
3rd of September, matter will
be posted for hearing, Lordship, in the Supreme Court, Lordship.
Very good. Our problem is lessened.
Lordship, Upendra's is challenge before the Honorable Supreme.
Good. Mr. Dhar, you are for?
1, 3, and 4, my lord.
Okay. R Dhar, sending council, PWD. 1, 2,
1, 3, and 4, my lord.
1, 3, and 4.
2 is my lord.
R Talukdar.
P Naik, my lord.
RK or R? RK, Talukdar. Sending council, Accountant General. Assam, respond number 5. 2 will be represented by
P Naik.
P Nayak. Standing council, Finance Department. Respond number 2. Agree by. Regularize, not
Not
regularize.
regular, Lordship, regular.
Agree.
Lordship.
Huh?
That
reflects
is
the
what they are
service.
seeking regularization.
Lordship, in the service book, it is reflected that his service was regularized for 1.
Agree by non-payment of pension and other retirement benefits despite extending service as work charge employee since
8/12/81, Lordship.
8/12/1981. The petitioner has approached this court by the instant petition, writ petition. Notice 4 weeks. Dhar, so and so. Nayak and Taludar. Extra copies. 2 of them.
13 also, same, my lord.
Similar, Lordship.
Identical. 13.
Identical. Yes, date of appointment.
Date of appointment, Lordship, here 1/1/1990, Lordship.
1/1/1990. Baki respondents are same.
Same, Lordship.
Numbers are same.
Same, Lordship.
Item 14.
Lordship, Mr. Deenath appears in this matter, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly pass it over for the time.
Deenath.
Standing council, AP.
Supplementary list, item 54.
Lordship, may kindly pass over the matter for timing. These are my.
Continue কৰিব আৰু মাজত মাতি নিদিব আৰু প্ৰশ্ন শেষ হৈ যদি মাজত মাতি নিদিব আৰু Yes.
14.
Item?
Supplementary.
54.
My lord, the petitioner herein is a member of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Proceedings were drawn against him on the basis of an order report. First, the court of inquiry was conducted. Now, there was a defect in the composition of the court of inquiry because the complainant on whose behest the court of inquiry is considered, his deputy was a member of the court of inquiry. Nobody can be a judge in his own cause. But leaving that aside, a court of inquiry
Was constituted.
Yes.
You are commandant.
I am
ITBP.
yes,
ITBP.
ITBP.
Yes, what happened? Court of inquiry?
Court of inquiry was constituted on the basis of an audit report, which was conducted on the behest of a complainant of the commandant of the 44th Battalion. One of the members of the court of inquiry was the deputy commandant of the same battalion. So there cannot obviously be a just inquiry in such a court, your lordship, because a person who is the complainant, his deputy is a member of the court. Now, leaving that aside, a court of inquiry, your lordship, the position is that it's not a disciplinary body, it's a fact-finding body. So once the report of the court of inquiry was rendered, there was a duty cast on the authorities in the ITBP to give us a copy. Firstly, no copy was furnished. Directly, they have taken a decision to go for disciplinary proceedings. Then
Is it a mandate? Is it a mandate?
it is a mandate. It is a mandate. Now, once they have decided to initiate disciplinary proceedings, what they have done, instead of adopting the process followed laid down under the rules, they have directly summarily imposed the penalty of recovery. And that is not the end. After that, again another order is passed where I am attached to a particular court saying that further disciplinary proceedings are contemplated. Firstly, the court of inquiry is illegal.
Which one is the
I
imposition?
have challenged all these orders, Your Lordship. So the order for constitution of the court of inquiry, Your Lordship will find at page
Court
number
of inquiry.
51.
When it was constituted?
It was constituted in 10/10/2023. That is the first.
10/10/2023. Did you participate?
I participated under objections because original audit report was not provided. I was not given an opportunity to cross-examine. So those are
What is the impugn order?
the impugn order, though I have assailed 10/1/2023, the ones which I am urgently aggrieved by your lordship will find.
No, Let let us go to first
Ye-
order 10/10/2023.
10/10/2023 at page number 41.
41.
Lordship. Lordship will kindly see, in pursuant to the order of the Director General White, DIG so and so, dated 29/9/2023, a court of inquiry consisting of the following is hereby constituted to inquire into the circumstances under which so many irregularities and discrepancies have been noticed by the internal audit team of Director General ITBP during special audit of 44th Battalion ITBP. And Lordship will see this third member, C, Shri so and so, Deputy Commandant, 44th Battalion ITBP. Firstly, he is junior to me, your lordship. I am in the rank of commandant. And secondly, this court of inquiry was instituted at the behest of the complaint filed by the complainant of the 44th Battalion, commandant of the 44th Battalion, and the deputy commandant is made a member of the court of inquiry. Now, against that, I submitted a detailed objection, your lordship.
You are what?
I am a commandant in the rank of commandant.
44 battalion.
Not in the 44th Battalion now.
Okay. No, at that time.
At that time.
Then you said commandant is a complainant.
The next officer.
Oh, your successor.
Successor was the complainant.
Okay.
And
okay, then after that court of inquiry proceeded, then
I have otherwise submit my objection is on record that your lordship will find at page number 43.
Okay, then thereafter report
your lordship was not furnished to me.
Okay.
Lordship will see an order at page number 86.
86.
In the meantime, there have been several communications where I have stated that I was not given an opportunity to cross-examine.
86.
86 is the order. This is a translated copy. Under order number so and so dated 5/5/2025, issued by the Inspector General Central Frontier ITBP Police, disciplinary proceedings were initiated based on the audit conducted by the Director General's audit team for the period from 1/4/2020 to 9/8/2023 relating to 44th Battalion. Firstly, no proceedings were conducted. It was a court of inquiry. A final decision has been taken to initiate disciplinary action against several officials based on the evidence found in the court of inquiry about financial irregularities exposed in the audit paragraphs. Upon review of the above mentioned order, the following 15 officials have been found prima facie guilty of involvement in the said financial irregularities in the 44th Battalion ITBP force. Therefore, in exercise of powers conferred under Section 5 of the ITBP Force Act 1992, the Director General ITBP Force has directed disciplinary action to be initiated against these officers by the provisions of the ITBP Force Act and rules. Accordingly, to initiate disciplinary action, the following officers currently posted in various units formations of the force are hereby temporarily attached to the Northeast Frontier ITBP Force with immediate effect.
Your serial number?
1. Thereafter, your lordship, this order I have challenged because the proceedings of the court of inquiry were never provided to me. Then, the lordship will have the order at page number 91. Without initiating any show cause or charge sheet, the order at page number 91 is passed. Under Director General ITBP Force Office Memorandum number so and so dated 22/7/2025, copy enclosed, in the audit conducted by the audit team of Director General ITBP Force for the period from 1/4/2020 to 9/8/2023 of 44th Battalion, based on evidence found in the court of inquiry, constituted on the exposed paragraphs related to financial irregularities, a final order has been passed under which you have been held responsible.
Yes, madam. Even quantification of the recovery amount has to be
that may be great, but the
has to be
proceeding not
preceded by
be-
disciplinary proceeding.
Lordship proceeding, because here involvement of 15 persons are there and it is at a very premature
But
stage.
for recovery part,
Recovery part, Lordship,
we can examine that part later on, but so far recovery, how can it be?
Lordship, recovery part, yes, Lordship.
Then your lordship may at least pass a direction that the audit report, the entire audit report and the records of the court of inquiry may be at least provided to us because otherwise we have no,
That we cannot jump, let her take instruction.
So-
Isn't that, how can I say?
because otherwise we cannot, there is a requirement under the act that a court of records of the court of inquiry has to be provided.
And that,
Where is that?
Yes, your lordship.
but as
Action case.
that is the, as per what I have verbal instruction is that is the discretion of the Director General and the appeal is still pending there.
This is there.
Tell me, mark it,
I'll just show the relevant.
mark
provisions.
it. Sir.
And Lordship, one thing regarding juris,
Rule 177 provides, 177 mark code, yes, sir. A person subject to the act against whom the court of inquiry has given an opinion or who is being tried by a force court on a charge related to a matter investigated by the court of inquiry shall be entitled to copies of the proceedings of the court of
We
inquiry.
will comply, we will observe. In the meantime, the authority shall comply.
that is still pending there. We have not refused it. It is still pending. with
Ah,
the
you
director.
comply with
Lord-
this particular mandate.
One more thing
Ah.
regarding jurisdiction,
That's
Lordship,
it.
the proceeding is in the state of Delhi, Lordship. So all the proceedings, all the orders, etc. were from the
Lordship will
state
see
of
the
Delhi.
order,
Lordship.
attachment order.
Attachment order then also,
Then-
Lordship, it is in Agartala, Itanagar, Lordship.
I was. The entire, I'm here, your lordship, everything pertains to
This order is at
Orders are from.
Guwahati.
Guwahati.
The attachment order is there, but the other orders, all the proceeding, etc. are pending in the. New
Right, but
Delhi, Lordship.
page 91 order is at Guwahati. Whether he has been properly instructed or not, that is also a doubtful matter.
And if now what will happen, if this proceeding is allowed to proceed and the penalty order, your lordship, also remains, at the end, I may also face double jeopardy, your lordship, because I've already been penalized. And if they have already made up their mind that I am guilty, your lordship, then these proceedings are already premeditated.
But at this stage, Lordship, proceeding on the very premature stage, Lordship, he will get the opportunity to defend his case, Lordship. On not his involvement only, its involvement of 15 other persons are also there.
Shall be entitled to.
Other persons are not before your lordship.
But it's related to one.
So
issue.
there has to be a specific order by the Director General that I will not
I
provide.
will not provide.
So you comply with this particular rule.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. K.P. Pathak, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Ms. B. Sharma, Learned Central Government Counsel for all, for the respondent number 1 to 5. Who are they? The 6 and 7?
They are by name party.
Because I have alleged
Okay.
personal malafide.
The petitioner is presently serving as a commandant Indo-Tibetan Border Police. And during 2/8/2019, during the period from 2/8/2019 to 30/05/2013, the petition was posted in 44th Battalion, ITBP, post of Para, by an order dated 10/10/2023, within bracket, Annex R4. A court of inquiry, IN, consisting of 3 officials, was constituted to inquire into alleged irregularities and discrepancies noticed by internal audit team of the Directorate General ITBP during special audit of 44th Battalion ITBP post of. It is stated that the Court of Inquiry submitted a report, and based on the report of the Court of Inquiry, an office order dated 22/7/2025 within bracket annexer 9 has been passed. Initiating disciplinary actions against 15 number of officials who were posted at 44th Battalion ITBP during the reference period. Poster. Subsequent to the office order dated 22/07/2025, comma, the respondent, who is this respondent?
Is the
The respondent number so and so issued an office memorandum dated 24/7/2025 within bracket annex 13, whereby recovery of an amount of rupees 9,20,707 has been directed for recovery from the petitioner as financial loss caused to the government. First of para. It has been submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the constitution of the court of inquiry was illegal as one of the members of the court of inquiry was junior in rank to the petitioner. One of the friends, respondent number,
7.
seven, Your Lordship.
and the court of inquiry was instituted at the behest of the petitioner's successor.
Access.
That is respondent number
Six.
6. Full stop. It is further contended that while by the order, office order dated 22/7/2027, annex 9, only disciplinary proceeding has been initiated. Full stop. Yet without the disciplinary action being finalized, comma, the office memorandum dated 24/7/2025 has annex 10 has been passed, directing recovery of an amount from the petitioner. Full stop. It is further submitted that the disciplinary action proceeding has been initiated without due compliance of, what is this?
This is the Indo-Tibetan, Indo-Tibetan border police,
amended contained in
Indo-Tibetan.
Rule
border police rules.
177 of the ITBP Rules 1994, framed under the ITBPF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police
Act.
Force Act 1992. First of. As per furnish করা নাই বলে, the petitioner has submitted that copies of the proceedings of the court of inquiry have never been furnished to the petitioner. Poster. Issue notice returnable with 4 weeks as Sharma. The petitioner has further has also alleged malafide against the respondent number 6 and the respondent number 7. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks as Ms. Sharma. 1 to 5 steps 6 and 7 registered post AD. Rule 177 has provided that a person, you give a photocopy, my a person says so. A person subject to the act against whom the court of inquiry has given an opinion who is being tried by a force court on a charge relating to matter investigated by the court of inquiry, shall be entitled to the copies of the proceedings of the court of inquiries unless the Director General orders otherwise. First one. Having regard to the manner in which the order of recovery has been made by Office Memorandum dated 24/7/2025, Annex 13. It is 2025. It is ordered in the interim that operation of the office memorandum dated so and so shall remain suspended till the returnable date. Those of the respondent authorities shall comply with the mandate contained in the so and so rules, more particularly Rule 177 in the meantime.
DPO.
It photo paste to photocopy which will paste photocopy paste or first paste to I can do a con do.
Timing matters. Item 3.
But should we kindly see the order dated 23/6/2025 for a moment? The petitioner is serving as an ACF. He wants his promotion from ACF to DCF.
Which order?
23/6/2025. A specific instruction was sought from the respondent because we allege in the writ petition that the annual property return, the letter asking to submit the annual property return was not furnished to us, whereas the other persons, my colleagues who were promoted from ACF to DCF, they were asked to submit their annual property return of the year 2022. And that letter was not furnished to us, so we could not submit it on time. And as we were in the man-elephant conflict dispute.
Yes, it was followed by another order.
Yes, Your
Lordship.
Lordship.
26/6.
Yes,
That's it.
there a specific order is,
So now we have taken an instruction, department cannot exactly tell at what time the next GPC will be held, Your Lordship. That's the issue we are facing. We cannot set tentative date or fixed date within this period of time, the next GPC will be held.
At the motion state, court
May I
cannot
please
be, court cannot be turned back.
Lordship.
You have to admit. If you don't admit, I admit.
Because
Clock
of
cannot be turned back as of, maybe after review DPC or whatever,
Lordship,
but that cannot be arrived at this stage, motion stage.
Lordship. Because this letter.
What is this?
2025, there was a specific direction to hold the DPC on fee 1/2025. That was not held. Now already 7-8 months has gone.
This writ petition is filed on 20th May 2025. That's the earlier DPC, 30, the month of January.
It was held.
No, it wasn't held.
Now the department says that they cannot fix a tentative date.
Because we don't have any rule or specific time to fix a DPC meeting. Your
And we have to issue notice.
Very well.
Only thereafter we can
Lordship.
make a direction to hold it within a time frame.
True.
And the motion stage is not possible.
Lordship.
heard Mr. R. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. R. Gugoi, standing counsel, Environment Forest Department for the
All the
respondent, all the respondents.
All the respondents.
1 to 5. Who are these? 6 to 7, 10?
6 to 7 are the performer respondents who are my colleagues. They were promoted from SEF to DCF on the basis that they were asked to submit their APR.
Okay. The petitioner was promoted to the post of Assistant Conservator of Forest, ACF, pursuant by a notification dated 20/12/2022. Post of. The next post for promotion from the ACF is the deputy.
Yes, Deputy
Deputy.
Conservator of Forest. Yes, DCF.
Deputy Conservation
Conservator of
Forest,
Deputy Conservator of Forest.
DCF,
DCF.
post of. One of the conditions for consideration for promotion is submission of annual property return, APR, post of. When an exercise for promotion was earlier undertaken in the year 2023,
23.
comma, APR was called for from the ACFs within the zone of consideration,
Lordship.
full stop. But the petitioner, who was also within the zone of consideration, comma, was not asked to submit APR, full stop. It is stated that APR was sought for by letter dated 20/10/2023.
23.
Full stop. Due to non-receipt of the letter dated 20/10/2023, comma, the petitioner could not file the APR in time. Full stop. The respondent authorities had, comma, in the meantime, comma, completed the promotional exercise, and the petitioner was, case of the petitioner was not considered in that promotional exercise. Post of. It is the further case of the petitioner that a number of officers,
Lordship.
SCFs,
His
junior to
colleagues,
the
they are
petitioner,
junior to the petitioner.
have already been promoted.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Full stop. Para. The
In fact, as of now, there are 32 posts vacant, Lordship.
petitioner has approached this court by the instant with petition, seeking in the earlier direction to the respondent authorities to promote him to the rank of DCF with retrospective effect by holding a review DPC within a stipulated time period. Issue notice returnable on so and so that as Mr. Gogoi. True.
1 to 5.
5.
1 to 3, 4,
6 to 10. Extra copies, 2 working days, 6 to 10. Register post.
Not sure.
AD within 2 working days.
Not sure.
22nd
Obliged,
September.
Having regard to the issues raised, comma, the respondent authorities shall in the Environment and Forest Department shall ensure that its counter affidavit is filed invariably.
Very large.
Shall I quote the rule? I quote rules. Invariably honor before the returnable date.
Not sure.
Obliged, Lord.
Much obliged.
Item 14.
The petitioner hearing your lordship was aggrieved by an order, your lordship, by which the authority has demoted him, your lordship, from the post of your lordship, assistant general manager, your lordship, means accounts.
Page,
Page 54, your lordship. The two part, your lordship. In first part, he was demoted. And then there is a
last part, you are
demotion and then recovery.
Simanto,
Page 54.
Simanto. Yeah, pursuant to resolution number 13.
I was reverted back to my previous post, your lordship, which is an accounts officer. Your lordship will Now, what has happened, your lordship? Your lordship will kindly come to page 48.
Yes.
They have, your lordship, this is by this order he was promoted. Now, their case is that, your lordship, that prior to that, they have adopted a policy, your lordship, by which, your lordship, they have adopted the policy of promotion in reservation in promotion, your lordship. That was not there prior to that, your lordship. And while, your lordship, that policy is, your lordship, under consideration, your lordship, the petitioner was, your lordship, promoted. Now, your lordship, my twofold grievance herein is this, your lordship. First, your lordship, they have passed this order, your lordship, after promoting me, your lordship, that, your lordship, without affording me any opportunity. On their own, your lordship, they go ahead and, your lordship, take this call, your lordship. And secondly, your lordship, recovery part is completely impermissible in view of the fact that I don't have any role here, your lordship. It is they who promoted me, your lordship. It is they who, without giving me any notice, your lordship, demoted me, your lordship, reverted me back to the earlier post, your lordship. Now, your lordship, that's my grievance is, your lordship, that why they have done this, your lordship. And your lordship will kindly see the draft. They have notified the draft, your lordship, rule, your lordship, draft, your lordship, roster register, that is at page 52, your lordship. This is still a draft, your lordship, and your lordship will kindly see page 52, last date, your lordship, 39/2024, your lordship, below, your lordship. This is when this was published, your lordship. Page 52, your lordship. Now, your lordship, when you have published the draft the roster registers on 39/2024, after my promotion, how can you apply that draft roster register against my post, your lordship? That is my grievance. And in fact, your lordship, it is the amended Act of, your lordship, Assam Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Reservation of Post in Services Act 2021. It says, your lordship, it will have to be notified, your lordship. The act says it amended act. They have, your lordship, by amending the act, they have included inserted section 5A, your lordship.
1 minute.
Second page.
Every establishment shall prepare and notify the roster register for each cadre equivalent to the number.
What are these then, this page 46, 47?
46, 47, your lordship, they have, your lordship, adopted this, your lordship. But actual notification has come, your lordship, by that, your lordship. They have adopted on 1/8/2023, your lordship.
This is what?
This is the notification. But your lordship, draft roster register is at
This
page
was
52.
what, 27 January 2012?
Lords,
By this, what changes have been brought in
by which, your lordship?
by this act?
Your lordship, this 5A was inserted, your lordship.
5A.
A. It was not there, your lordship. Reservation in promotion, your lordship.
Every establishment shall prepare and notify in a roster register for each cadre.
And page 52 is the
You want to say
reservation.
that about the office memorandum?
Office memorandum is separate, your lordship.
5A is only roster register.
Roster register. And this
Ah.
office memorandum is, your lordship. Government has issued this office memorandum. Here, your lordship, how it will have to be considered. For example, your lordship will kindly see clause 5 of this office memorandum. Your lordship. It also says, your lordship, as regards the question of maintaining administrative efficiency as required under Article 335 of the Constitution in the Honorable High Court in WPC number so and so held that it should be assessed applying objective measurable standards. As such, the annual confidential report, annual performance appraisal reports of the incumbent along with the length of service participations in training program concerning job requirement, acquisition of degrees.
Yes,
have
Mr.
to be
Not.
three grounds, your lordship. So far as no opportunity, then recovery is impermissible, your lordship, and thirdly, this is not applicable so far as.
This was, his promotion was when?
I was promoted, your lordship, on 26/2020.
So after 1 year, 2 months.
2 months.
He has been reverted back. Whether he is not entitled to at least some notice.
Well, at this stage, I have to take instruction, Malad. Lordship may give me some, but let me have the instruction, Malad. Because the highest authority in the board, they have taken a decision, and the DPC has also taken a decision for his
We
reversion.
don't know about highest authority, whatever authority.
Lordship.
Question is about at least whether this man should have at least some notice.
That is his.
Or
That is
legal,
his, that
illegal,
is his case.
whatever.
That is his case. That is his case. Lordship, let me have the instruction, Malad. I'll take instruction in the matter.
You take instruction, I'll stay this order.
But the order has come into effect with immediate effect, and it was issued on 4/8. Lordship,
I said clock can be turned back.
Lordship may at this stage, Malad, recovery
How
part.
can it be?
Recovery part, Malad, I will not object, but the order may not be, Malad, as such.
You see the fate of the ignominy a person faces without any notice. The ignominy, the embarrassment, at least some notice that this has happened. We are going to do this exercise.
Malad, the tone and
Because something wrong we had done or we had committed a mistake, whatever. Because of reservation, we are ignorant about the provision, whatever, that we are going to redo the exercise.
But that is why, Malad, I have submitted that let me have the instruction whether notice was given or not, And till then, matlab the note, the recovery part, lordship may.
Will not will put it on Monday, you take the instruction.
Only thing.
Monday is the next
Tuesday?
working day. On Wednesday.
Tuesday, nothing is going to happen. If it is that salary recovery will stay on that day.
Yes, yes.
Tuesday,
Lordship may keep
I have
on-
not handed over search yet, Your Lordship. That's
status quo,
on Wednesday.
status quo,
status quo, Your Lordship.
hard. Will not pass any order,
Lordship,
will not decide. You may have a valid reason
I'll,
behind passing this order. Maybe an exercise was undertaken. We don't know.
yes, that is my.
Okay. Status quo,
I need some.
Mr. S. Bottakul and Counsel for the petition and Mr. D. Nath, standing counsel, APDCL. You are standing counsel or senior government advocate?
For 2, 3, and 4.
Standing counsel or APDCL?
Standing
Counsel, APDCL, for the respondent number 1, 2.
2, 3, and 4.
You can represent 1 also as a senior government advocate.
Lordship.
Okay. Let senior government advocate and standing counsel, APDCL.
APGCL.
Oh, APGCL.
GCL.
Okay, APGCL. For the respondent number 1 to 4. Okay. Mr. Nath has submitted that he'll make endeavor to obtain instructions and materials leading to the passing of the impugn order dated 4/8/2025. First up. Mr. Bottakul has submitted that the petitioner has not yet handed over the charge of the post of assistant manager in accounts cadre till date. Post of the parties shall maintain status quo with regard to the position of the petitioner till Tuesday. Position of the petition.
Lordship may take it up on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Monday is next work.
Deeply.
Tuesday.
Item number 50, the respondent bank has just filed the affidavit. I received a copy. I prefer 2 weeks time to file counter, rejoin the lawsuit.
Okay.
Item number 50, 50.
Mr.
PN sir,
PN Sharma.
for the petition lawsuit.
Item number 15.
50 for 50.
50.
50 lawsuit. Kamal Nath. WPC number 428 of 2024.
50. PN Sharma, Land Counsel for the petition has submitted that he has been served with a copy of the counter affidavit of the respondent SBI
Lawsuit.
today. And he needs 2 weeks time to go through the same and to file a reply to the said counter affidavit if so advised. Post up. The prayer is allowed, release the case after 2 weeks.
I'm a blood boss.
On a date 2 weeks by the office.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, in this matter, respondent number 1 has submitted that the Autonomous District Council of Karbi Anglong is a necessary party.
Okay.
So this honorable court has granted 2 weeks time to file this implement.
Hard miss,
Z Anzum, lordship. Z Anzum.
J. Anjum, Learned Counsel for the applicant read petition. Who are the other parties?
Lordship.
Finance?
State.
Mr. Borua, C. Borua, Learned Standing Counsel Accountant General for the opposite party number 4. Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for the opposite party number 3. Most of the Learned Counsel for the other opposite parties are found absent to the uncalled. Most of the instant application, interlocutory litigation is preferred, seeking implement of the following authority. Yes, 6 to likha ase boldo. As party respondent number 6 in the accompanying writ petition. Post of during deliberation on 8/8/2025, comma, it is submitted on behalf of the opposite parties as respondents that the proposed party respondent is a necessary party as the matter, subject matter of the lease pertains to a transferred subject. First of, having regard to the statements and averments made in the instant interlocutory application, comma, the instant interlocutory application is allowed. First of, the authority mentioned above is to be implemented as a party respondent number 6 in connected with petition. First of, the land council for the applicant writ petition shall file an amended cost title in terms of a delegation dated so and so within 3 days from today before the arrest.
I've been instructed that he
Hmm?
he's got the benefits, Lordship. It's regarding the pension, Lordship.
Pension,
Yes, Lordship.
Instructions, my lord. He has received it.
instruction.
No, he has received it, my lord.
Oh, you have received it?
Yes, Lord.
Okay, no
Maybe close.
further grievance.
At this stage, no, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. MP Sharma, land council for the petitioner. Ardhor, standing council, Standing- oh.
Handloom textile and sericulture.
standing council. Handloom, Textile and Sericulture Department for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and C. Burwa, learned. Standing council, accountant general for the respondent number 5, first of. Mr. Sharma has submitted that during the pendency of the writ petition, comma, the grievances of the petitioner insofar as the grievance, insofar as grievances of the petitioner raised in this writ petition have been redressed.
Lordship.
In such view of the matter, comma, the writ petitioner is not interested to pursue the writ petition at this stage. First of, in view of Mr. So and so and so and so, land council appearing for the respondents have submitted that they have no objection to the prayer submission made on behalf of the petitioner. First, in view of the above submissions made by the land council for the parties, comma, the writ petition is closed.
Obliged, Lord.
Prim not. NG Doctor, where the joint commission approval to reconstruct the service book has been accorded to placed before the standing council. Yes,
Lordship, prayer for timing.
not prayer for timing today,
Yeah, 2 p.m. sir.
not 2 p.m. This court does not fix anything.
My
2 p.m.
senior is engaged in court number 21.
What is the issue for the respondents? Yes, please address. What is the issue here? Yes, have you gone through?
No, Lordship.
Was the secretary, Gaon Panchayat, provincialized, retired, expired, also expired. PNRD? Yes.
Regarding the reconstruction of service book, we have already given the approval for the sanction of.
Yes,
reconstruction.
the man retired and expired in 2008.
Lordship-
You are still reconstructing.
Lordship, we have the
No,
second.
what is the next step?
Lordship, kindly grant at 2 p.m.
Yes.
Is it a case of Fazle Ravi? That date of his initial appointment? The service is to be counted or what? Nobody is aware. Nobody is filing the affidavit also. Yes, Mr. Borua, can you highlight?
Is Lord 1919.
You are not there.
Lordship.
You are
S.
representing whom?
S. Datta will appear in this matter, Lordship.
Oh, you are representing whom?
PNRD. PNRD, Lordship.
B?
PNRD.
Ah, yes, you are standing counsel.
S. Datta will appear in this matter. S. Datta will appear, Lordship. I will
Call him.
next.
Item number 20.
The lordship. Well, in this case, the claim of the petitioner is family pension. Petitioner is a divorced daughter, my lord. Her father, who was working as Khalasi, retired from his service on 31/12/2000. Marriage of the petitioner was dissolved on my lord.
So this employee was getting pension?
Yes, my lord.
He was getting pension.
He was getting pension.
So what is the rule that which entitles a divorced dependent daughter to receive?
Issue has been decided by this honorable court, my lord, in Annexure 8, page 32, my lord.
Annexure 8, page 32.
My lord. 11 paragraphs you will find at page 41.
You want to elevation page to release? You want page?
41.
41, sir.
Paragraph 27 onwards, my lord.
লেখা আছে নিচে না বুঝছে ডাইভার্স ডাটা প্রাইভেট লেখা আছে বুঝছে
Paragraph 33 is the final, not given paragraph final.
একটু সময় একটু একটু না না এটা যদি দেখাইছে আমার আমার
Yes.
My lord,
In this
Yes.
case,
before going this one, because he has some lordship. It's been produced by your lordship that order. Today, I cannot go against of this, but I have been instructed by this one that as per our rule, pension rule, 143, divorced daughter is not entitled. That is my instruction. Otherwise, my lord, if by this judgment, if it's covered or not, I have to go to.
That is dependent on many other factors also. That is subject to inquiry. There are 29.
Today, on the basis of the judgment, your lordship
not dispositive petition, my humble submission, I'll go through with my department also because one instruction has come by way of there's 143, rule 143 of pension law.
That was under consideration.
It is not.
143 1D.
It is, Lord, I'm not against of this one. I'm not on favor also today. I may be allowed some time.
Okay.
I also discuss with department.
Only issue left in this case to be decided by this court that the petitioner is an Anganwadi worker. Is getting monthly 6,000 rupees.
There will be parameters
Yes, madam.
that has been indicated.
Yes.
That they have to reach a satisfaction also.
Yes, yes. It will be added.
That is not the
Otherwise,
within the ambit of this code.
Otherwise, the issue of entitlement of pension by the divorced daughter has.
That is there subject to other conditions.
Yes, yes.
That is a matter of inquiry by them. Okay, when do you want?
1 week, that is enough for me, of course.
Okay, Mr. I.S. and also for the petitioner is present. Mr. Sharma, what is your take on it? You have not filed any affidavit. It will be a document of.
File affidavit to this effect. It is better.
We don't know. It is pending since 2023. If they have,
I also file.
if they are interested not to file affidavit, how can we force that? Right? It is not up to them. Huh? Huh? No, I have said this court has interpreted it subject to certain riders. These riders are a matter of investigation by the authorities, not for the court.
Yes.
So it is up to you to file affidavit or not to file affidavit.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, the case is posted for admission hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe then, because I'll also go file affidavit.
Because
It is up to you. I am
let's say
I'll be granting a fixed date.
I'll pay
You
another 3 days.
decide on your own.
10 days. 10 days maybe.
Both. I'm giving you two weeks time
My lord.
on a fixed date.
My lord.
Heard Mr. I.H. Shoikia, learned counsel for the petitioner. C. Sharma, standing counsel, Water Resources Department for the respondent number 1 and 2. M. Bhattacharyji, yes, Ms. Bhattacharyji. All are given 2 weeks. 3 and 4. Additional senior government advocate. C. Borua, standing counsel, accountant general for the respondent number 5. First off, the claim of the petitioner is for family pension under Rule 143.
143. Assam pension rule.
143.
Assam service pension rule.
1, small d of the Assam services within bracket pension rules 1969 as amended. Mr. Soikia has submitted that the case of the petitioner is covered by a judgment in order dated 30/11/2021, passed in writ petition WPC number 8395/2019. Post op. He has further submitted that the said judgment and order has attained finality.
He's getting the pension, madam.
I
appeared for that.
I don't know. If it is not subject of appeal, then we can proceed.
Getting the pension.
The learned counsel for the official respondents. Comma, who were put on notice on 3/5/2023 have not file any counter in the writ petition till date. First off, the official respondents are granted 2 weeks' time to file their counter affidavit, if so advised, as their last opportunity. Lays the case on.
99.
More than 2 weeks. You asked for 10 days.
Yes. Initially 7 days, then 3 days.
Can it be on a hearing day, my lord, so that
This is not that matter which
Right.
requires extensive hearing.
Obliged.
If we feel that it requires extensive hearing, we'll do that.
Clear, it will be over.
oblige, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? My lord,
Chief Secretary file affidavit.
Lordship, we have received this, Lordship, but we have not filed the affidavit, Lordship. I am praying for a accommodation, Lordship.
See, madam, 8 months.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
And court is flooded with litigation. That is the observation.
Yes, and after this receipt, Lordship, I think the another notification has come, Lordship, in 24, which is not included here, even though Lordship.
This is a very complex subject for me.
Yes,
So
Lordship.
please, I have been
Just
saying
allow
time and
me.
again, very
1 minute,
complex.
Lordship, I will be putting this on record.
I fail to understand the flip-flops.
Lordship.
And that has been
Yes,
indicated in the last order. that
indicated in the last. order.
Flip-flops done by the authorities.
Yes, Lordship.
And for me, it is the most complex subject.
Lordship.
And Chief Secretary has been asked,
Yes, Lordship, we have this, Lordship, the queries.
what is your submission?
Submission?
Nothing is coming from your
No,
side.
Lordship. Yes, because there was a.
Do you intend to file an affidavit
will,
or not to
Lordship.
file an affidavit, please?
I will, Lordship.
Huh?
I will.
But what time?
I am praying for a week's time, Lordship.
Weeks time.
Yes.
Good enough. Okay. Law score.
my lord.
FL law score. Petitioner. M. Borazeji. Oh, you were there earlier.
Lordship.
And additional senior government advocate and Ms. D. Learner Standing Council, Irrigation Department for the official respondents. By the previous order dated 6/1/2025, the Chief Secretary of Government of Assam has been asked to file an affidavit clarifying the facts mentioned therein. Post of Ms. Porthai, the additional senior government advocate, Assam, has submitted that the instructions have been received and the affidavit is going to be filed within a week's time. Traversing the issues, the facts mentioned in the order dated 6/1/2025. Ms. Pothaji has thus sought for listing of the case after a week. The price allowed, list the case on so and so.
Deeply obliged, Lord. 18, Lordship.
কমাবো হয়নি Yes.
But here, in this matter,
Yes.
this matter pertains to the upgradation and promotion of the petitioner. were associate professor in Central Institute of Technology in Kokrajhar. What has happened? Lordship, the Board of Governors gave a in principle approval of the upgradation of the petitioners based on the AICT notification of 2012. And a committee was formed to look into their credentials. The committee, going beyond its mandate, came to an erroneous decision by superseding the rules, stating that there is a resolution of the board that contractual fix will not be considered, contractual scale will be considered. Now, Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, we had earlier filed an additional affidavit bringing in certain documents. Thereafter, the respondent authorities took number of dates, filed their reply. And on the last occasion, Your Lordship has
Mr. Medhi, you present.
Yes,
Yes.
1 to 5. My lord, here reading is complete, my lord. So may I pray this matter may fix another date for hearing, my lord. If possible,
Otherwise, all pleadings are
Yes,
complete,
my
Your Lordship.
will not file my lord reply, my lord.
Okay, you sought
Yes, this morning yesterday I received the instruction, my lord. This
okay, your submission can be recorded.
My lord.
That you are not going to file any additional pleadings.
No, not necessary, my lord, because the pleading is completed, my lordship. Pleading is completed.
We'll record that then.
Pleading is completed, my lord, that much.
Fix a date for hearing.
If
Mr.
possible, my lord, the 18th of September, my lord.
No, don't choose a date
Yes,
on your own. If the business of the court permits, we'll fix.
Yes, ma'am.
Please ask for learned counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. Hud, Mr.
I'm
S.K. Medhi, Learned Central Government Counsel for the respondent number.
1 to 5, ma'am.
Any other respondents?
Yes, ma'am. The private respondent, there, ma'am. So he was here, ma'am.
Newly pleaded respondent.
1 to 5. None has appeared for the respondent number 6-2. (36). Today on call. Nobody's name is also shown.
No, just now SP Sudra is here, ma'am.
SP Chaudhary.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Post. Mr. Medhi has submitted that exchange of pleading is complete. Post. Mr. Rasko has also agreed to the submission of Mr. Medhi. Post. As a exchange of pleadings is complete, leaves the case on side you. Wonder both is going to learn. Maybe after puja. 14?
Can it be before that?
14, 10.
My lord, 14, my lord, 16, 10, my lord.
16, okay.
16, 10.
Oblige.
Item 23.
Chairman Mohammed Chaudhary.
Yeah, please, your lordship. I am for respondent number 7. My senior is on leg, so kindly pass over the matter.
What is your subject? Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord, the respondent number 7 has filed their affidavit, my lord. Already filed their affidavit, my lord. My lord, case is that, my lord, petitioner are master rule workers, my lord. They were appointed prior to 2005, my lord. And they were working under different water supply scheme under Silchar water supply scheme. My. Subsequently, Hailakati water supply and Lala water under which they were working became different.
Whether the necessary respondents have filed their affidavit?
No, my lord. Respondent number 7 has filed their affidavit, my lord.
That is municipal board.
Municipal board, my lord, saying that they are not responsible, my lord. Whether they are
You are seeking regularization under whom?
under, my lord, when my lord,
Under municipal board or somebody else?
My lord.
Under government?
Under government, my lord.
Government. What is the department?
Department Assam Urban Water Supply Scheme, my lord.
Urban?
Board, my lord.
Mr. SP. File our affidavit.
File it. You represent respondent number 3 and 6. Okay, you say that you
Yes.
worked under them.
Yes.
Okay. A.H. M.R. Chaudhary. Right. M. Bhattacharya. Additional senior government advocate 1, 4, and 5. Any finance person? No. Miss B. Devi, Learned Counsel, representing Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 3 and 6. And Miss
Espal.
S.
Espal.
Paul,
Hmm.
Learned Counsel.
Appearing on behalf of S. Datta, Senior Counsel.
Okay. Representing Mr. S. Dr. Learned Senior Counsel for the respondent number 7. Full stop. The petitioners are claiming regularization.
Regularization means, my lord, their salary, my lord.
Hmm?
Their salary.
Petitioners are claiming area salaries.
Area as well as current salary.
Area salaries as well as current salaries as master role workers under various water supply schemes operated by the respondent or Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board, Borak Valley Division. Post of para. Having regard to the issues raised by the petitioner, comma, a counter affidavit from the respondent number 3 to 6 appears necessary. Ms. So-and-so, Learned Counsel representing the respondent was 3 to 6, has sought for and is granted 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks time to file their counter affidavit. Appraise granted Kuluna is the case in the week on a date in the week commencing from 13th October.
Obliged.
13th October.
Item 24.
Yes, Mr. Padgiri.
No affidavit has been filed, my lord.
Your prayer is for what?
Claiming for family pension, my lord.
Family pension.
The husband of the petitioner service under the my lord, Panchayat as office assistant, my lord.
Head assistant,
Head assistant, office assistant,
Panchayat department.
Panchayat.
Yes. Mr.
My lord.
Doctor.
My lord, in this case, my lord, finance department stand is very important, my lord. What is that? Finance is a party here, my lord.
Get Fazlur Ruby case.
It's look like Fazler covered by Fazler Rabi case, but finance department stand is that it was, my lord, one time measure, my lord. That is why finance department stand is very important, my lord. Otherwise, we don't have any objection, my lord.
That is perhaps their mandate. You reject it for the first time whenever it comes. Whatever proposal.
That is why.
Who is finance? That is their mandate perhaps. Unwritten perhaps.
Coordinate bench of this honorable court or pass down.
Finance.
Those are also, my lord, pending for contempt also.
They are a party.
Finance a party, yes, my names are showing also. Numbers of cases are there, my lord. If finance department, my lord, clear their views, my lord, all will be resolved.
Mr. K. Patgiri. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As Doctor. Learning Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department. 1,
1, 4, and 6.
4, 6. D. Bora. Junior Advocate, Assam, 2,
2 and 5.
5. Right. Mr. Sorry, the Finance Training Council. Finance Department, representing the respondent number 3 and 7. Is found absent today on call. Full stop. Mr. Dotto. Comma, do, their, name is shown in the cause list. Mr. Dotto. By placing an office letter dated 23/6/2025 of the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, addressed to Commissioner Panchayat and Rural Development Assam, has submitted that in order to accord approval to the case of the petitioner for grant of pension, if the petitioner, if the petition is found entitled, the views of the Finance Department is necessary. Full stop. As it had rejected,
My lord, they are not accepting.
as it had not accepted the proposal submitted from the submitted for the case of the petitioner by the Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Full stop. Para. The Finance Department. But your views are also not there.
My lord, because of the Finance Department stand, my lord, we are not able to, my lord, clarify our stand, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, Finance Department has to approve, my lord.
The Finance Department. It appears that Finance Department is required to clarify its stand regarding extension of pensionary benefits to those provincialized Panchayat secretaries who have retired / expired after rendering service of more than 10 years, but less than 20 years. Full stop. Para. The finance. Yes, Mr. I am passing an order against you. Okay, presence Likho. P Nayak, Planning Council. PN 7 question, no? Finance Department. The Finance Department shall clarify its stand on the next date of listing. Please the case. On
10 September, 10/9.
My lord. Right. Held the place.
Item 25.
My lord, kindly pass over the matter.
Not today Passover, sir. Some other day then. On the prayer of so-and-so. Mr.
Mr. B. Hazarika.
B. Hazarika, Council petition, lays the case on so-and-so.
I'm Paul Smith.
SK Medi, Central Government Council, for all the respondents, is in attendance. List.
Obliged. 8/9, 8 September. 8. Item number 28.
Your Lordship. And the petitioners before Lordship, there, my lord, they were recruited as Group B officers. They were earlier, my lord, in the armed forces in the rank of captain and equivalent. And pursuant to an advertisement, my lord, the advertisement, they appeared and they were recruited in the, my lord, Group B. Subsequently, they come to know, my lord, that the persons who were appointed in Group C, they had lesser experience and we have to work under them. So, my lord, in this writ petition, it is claimed that.
Okay, Oil India. Okay. Oil India Limited. Okay.
Otherwise, the pleadings are completed and this will take some time of hearing because what they are seeking is seeking pay in the grade C. Their appointments were in grade B, but now today, by way of this writ petition, they are claiming that even though they were appointed in grade B, they are entitled to grade C of pay, which is a higher grade of pay. I think it will take some time. Pleadings are otherwise completed, Your Lordship. Maybe fixed for hearing on a particular date.
Before puja, there will be RAS. Immediately after, on a hearing date.
What they are seeking is like area salary. If they get it, they will get area salary. That's
No,
the
not only area salary, my lord, our status will also be different.
with retrospective basis. So that's what their claim is. So it can be taken any date.
Mr. M.K. Churil, Senior Counsel, estate by Miss. Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. A. Sharma, Standing Counsel. Oil for the responder 2 and 3 have submitted that that exchange of pleading is complete and matter can be taken up for final consideration. First up, as agreed to and sought for. List the case on. After puja only, 14th. Immediately after puja.
October. Yes, Your Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item 29.
Yes. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Petitioner was a Safai Karmi in 8 APBN Lordship.
Safai?
Safai Karmi Lordship.
Karmi?
Yes, Lordship. He died. After his death, Lordship, his retirement benefit has not been granted by.
Petitioner's husband.
No. Petitioner's husband Lordship.
Died.
Died.
During service.
No, Lordship. He was dismissed, Lordship, but that dismissal order has not been communicated to the petitioner. And at the midst of this.
No, dismissed from service. When that man died?
He died on, Lordship.
He died on
10/11/2016, Lordship.
2016.
Yes, Lordship.
And when is the dismissal order?
That dismissal order is communicated through their affidavit, Lordship. Only.
No, when?
He was
Even if it is affidavit.
dismissed.
Yes, 2004.
Yes, Lordship.
Am I correct?
Yes, Lordship.
And when the man died in 2016.
16, Lordship.
So you are the wife.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh? So did you not? Are you not aware? During that period from 2004 to 2016, 12 years, what did he do for those 12 years?
The petitioner's husband has not connected with the family, Lordship. He was undressed.
Then
department has not communicated.
He was satisfied with the DP.
We only know.
With the order of dismissal.
Petitioner only.
Now, what is the natural consequence if a penalty for dismissal has been imposed? This is a case of 2004.
Yes, Lordship.
And that man died in 2016. And you approached 2024.
Only
How
after
much,
approaching-
to what extent, tell me, to what extent the re-jurisdiction can be stretched?
Lordship, first of all, Lordship.
See, you don't have any contact. It did not have any contact.
Yes, Lordship.
That man was serving.
Thereafter, he come to my house, Lordship.
But
And then, in the
2016,
severe conditions of.
he died
committed-
2016. He did not do anything. He accepted it.
2012, he died, Lordship.
But what is his name? Shankar Basfor.
Shankar Basper.
Then come to page 15. I don't think it is 2000.
2012, he come back to my home, Lordship. Thereafter, after treatment,
He was-
died.
He was idle, perhaps. You were quite aware.
No, Lordship. And
This plea,
under mental condition, imbalance conditions, he returned. Thereafter, he
This
fall
plea-
under in pulmonary disease. And under
No.
treatment, he died.
okay,
Thereafter,
Mr.
I applied
Counsel,
for the,
Mr. Counsel, is it believable for the court? The man was dismissed in 2004. You said you had no contact.
yes, Lordship.
Then in 2012, he came back
I have.
and started living in your company.
I have.
Then he died 2016. Then you approached this court for pension in 2024. Now, first question,
Lordship.
whether a penalty of dismissal entitles for pension.
I have to challenge this dismissal order, Lordship, because this dismissal order has not been communicated to the petitioner. Only after midst of this litigation, Lordship, pro affidavit, they intimate this honorable court.
At
that this
least,
service was
as
dismissed.
on date, I'm finding nothing.
Kindly allow me to amend this petition, Lordship. Otherwise,
Let
allow
us
me
see
to
your
withdraw and
case.
file a press, Lordship, by challenging this dismissal order, Lordship. Because this dismissal order was not communicated.
If it is, it was communicated to the person concerned, a question of communicating everybody in the family was not a requirement. Please understand, if the man had received the penalty order himself, where is the question of serving it up? And show me any law.
Lordship, kindly see page 20, Lordship. After submission of this representation, Lordship, they release some gratuity amount, Lordship. Thereafter, I have come before this honorable court for other pensionary benefit. Thereafter, only they intimate that his service was dismissed. This dismissal order is not communicated, and by affidavit, they have intimate this court that his service was dismissed after during departmental proceeding, Lordship. They have mentioned everything in their affidavit also, Lordship. In paragraph number 14 of their affidavit in opposition. After submission of this representation, GPF money has been released.
We are closing it, then it is up to you to challenge because you cannot get the pension without the dismissal order set aside. I had Mr.
MK Newton.
MK New, Clinic Counsel for the petitioner. And Ms. M. Barazai, Clinic Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for the response number 1 to 4. And Miss? Huh? You are for Arcade Elder. Standing as Accountant General for the response number 5. Full stop. The petitioner has instituted the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution, seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioner for release of the retirement benefit of her deceased husband and also family pension to the petitioner. First off, the facts, come on, the necessary facts, not like necessary. The petitioner, her husband, Shankar Baspur, was initially appointed as Safai Karmi in the office of 13th Assam Police Battalion at Lilabari, Lakhimpur, WEF 27/05/1989 to 17/12/1997. Full stop. Subsequently, he was transferred to the office of the Commandant, 8th Assam Police Battalion at Abhoyapuri, Bongaigaon in the year 1997, and he joined there on 18/12/1997. Full stop. The petitioner's husband expired on 10/11/2016, leaving behind the petitioner as his wife and 4 children. Full stop. Para. The petitioner has projected that on and from 2004, the petitioner's husband suffered from mental stresses and became unrest in the year 2000, became unrest. First off, it was in the year 2012. He came back to live with his family. But, he was found to be in imbalanced condition, and he could not recall anything about his past life. First off, para. The responding authorities have respondent number 3 has filed an affidavit in opposition, bringing on record an office order dated office order number 378 dated 9/3/2024 passed under the hand of the respondent number 3. Full stop. From the office order dated 3/4. 3 copy of maybe I don't know, office order dated 9/3/2024, comma. It can be noticed that the Shankar Basfor, a disciplinary proceeding was initiated against Shankar Basfor by drawing DP number 17/2003. Full stop. The reason for drawing the disciplinary proceeding was his unauthorized absence from duty with effect from 16/1/2002. Full stop. Upon conclusion of the disciplinary proceeding, comma, the competent authority finding the charges level against the delinquent proved beyond reasonable doubt, comma, ordered for imposition of the penalty of dismissal, WF 26/2004. Full stop. It was further observed while disposing of DP number 17/2003 that the period of unauthorized absence would not be counted for any payment. Full stop. When subsequently an application was received from the petitioner as the wife of Shankar Basfor, comma, the respondent authorities had calculated the retirement dues of Shankar Basfor towards what? GPF. And sanctioned an amount of rupees 58,752 on 10/10/2023. Full stop. Para. It is a settled position of law that if a penalty of disposal is imposed, comma, the delinquent or his dependents is ordinarily not entitled to family pension. Full stop. From the materials on record, comma, it has emerged that the office order dated 9/3/2004, whereby the penalty of dismissal was imposed upon Shankar Basfor has not been put to any challenge, meaning thereby, comma, the order, it has attained its position is of attaining finality as on date. Full stop. Without any assail to the office order dated so and so, comma, the petitioner's prayer for release of family pension cannot be entertained to in this cannot be entered into which has been sought in this writ petition. Full stop. In view of the office order dated so and so, the petitioner has already been disbursed the entitlement in terms of the office order dated so and so. Full stop. Para. In view of the above fact situation, comma, the writ petition is closed, is dismissed. Full stop. It is liberty. It is the petitioner is, however, at liberty to resort to appropriate remedy available, permissible under the law, if so advised.
Vacation.
31.
30. Next item, madam. 30.
35.
30.
30. Okay.
Next item.
Mr. J. Roy, senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Okay.
Respondent, madam.
Okay. Respondent, BCC, Bukajan Cement Corporation has sought listing of the case after the ensuing long vacation. Mr. P.K. Munir, the counsel for the petitioner, is present and has not objected to the said request. First up, as sought for and agreed to by the counsel for the parties, leaves the case on after October.
Obliged.
1710.
Obliged.
We'll come back. 1710 or otherwise inform the court.
For pronouncement of judgment, criminal appeal 468 of 23 with IA criminal 1005 of 24.
In the light of the discussion made above and for the reasons recorded therein, this court summing up is of the considered view that the submissions advanced on behalf of the appellant are not acceptable. Full stop. The criminal appeal is found to be bereft of merit and therefore fails.
Obliged. Item number 31.
Milord, no, it's regarding regularization of.
Returnable date.
Milord. No affidavit has been filed, Milord.
No affidavit. Water resources.
Water Resources Department. Respondent 3 and 4.
Yes, PJ Fukun, Mr. PJ Fukun, and counsel for the petitioners is present. The respondent authority, yes. You are for? Water, yes, you file your affidavit. Miss, learned counsel, representing Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel, Water Resources Department for the respondent number 1, 3 and 4. Have sought for and it's granted. 4 weeks time?
Milord, 2 weeks.
4 weeks because puja holidays are there.
Since Milord, their retirement age is approaching, Milord. So
4 weeks time, 4 weeks. To file the counter affidavit, list the case after 4 weeks, date to expire the offense.
32.
Yes.
Services are completed, man. They have filed their Wakalan number, man. They have filed their Wakalan number, man.
They have appeared,
Their name is Sonia.
1, 2 and 3. How many respondents?
Three
Three only. They are not present. As Shutia, Land Council. Yes, as Shutia, Land Council, but a petitions is present. None has appeared for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Though their names are reflected. Though the names of the Land Council for the respondent number 1 to 3 are reflected in the cause list. Full stop. Be that as it may, comma, the respondents are granted 4 weeks time to file their counter affidavit. Full stop. This is the case after 4 weeks.
Right.
Only
33.
fixed by the office. Nirupam.
Very unfortunate. The petitioner has filed the petition for his pension. Pension has not been given, provision of pension.
This matter will be taken after some time, my lord. Additional Advocate General P. Nayak is appearing. He is in on legs, my lord. After some time, my lord.
What it will be.
For the timing.
After some time, he'll just come.
You have not received pension.
Item 34.
Very good.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Regarding the petitioner's
Declare.
husband was missing, and thereafter his wife has given the family pension after my lord obtaining the decree from the civil court on the point of presumption of death. The question is whether she will get from the date of missing or after 7 years or from the date of decree. The new rule says that thereafter a new rule came into existence, my lord, by 143A. After 1 year of the police report after missing, but here after 6 years, my lord, giving that period was not given. That's why, my lord, the attorney heard, my lord, they may want to file affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
My lord, we are still awaiting, my lord, instructions from the.
Yes, C. Goswami, Land Council for the petitioner. Mr. R. Dhar, Land Additional Senior Government Advocate.
My lord, let them furnish us extra copies, my lord.
Okay, 1. For the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and Mr. Anybody from Accountant General?
Yes, I'm.
Mr.
KK Mehta.
Get you for the respondent number 5, Accountant General. At present, Mr. Dhar has sought for and is granted 4 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. Post of the counter affidavit shall also address the issue mentioned in the order dated 21/3/2025. Post of. I'll list the case after 4 weeks. Okay. See one case, Anuradha, I think Anuradha. Supreme Court judgment.
Good.
35.
May I plead your lordship? The petitioner before your lordship is working as an LDA in the office of the Zonal Joint Registrar Cooperative Society, Jorhat, your lordship. He is aggrieved by non-furnishing of a departmental inquiry report and withholding of one annual increment, your lordship. They have to obtain instruction regarding that.
He is serving as what?
In LDA in the office of the Zonal Joint Registrar Cooperative Societies, Jorhat.
Respondent number?
He's the petitioner, your lordship.
No, office of the respondent number?
Cooperative societies, respondent number,
He is not there.
I'm preparing from cooperative.
Is he there? In the area of respondents?
actually, we have filed an IA regarding correction of this. Maybe this page is not altered,
Okay, amended.
amended, your lordship.
Okay, okay. Where is he in the new set of respondents? You say zonal
Zonal.
joint register.
Race.
He is not there. In amended cost title also. Yes.
I have to.
Okay, Ms. F. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petition has submitted that some inadvertent error has crept in the amended cost title. She has thus wait for listing of the case after a week in order to rectify the same. List the case after a week. You file your amended cost title.
The date
Yes.
fixed, your lordship.
You file that.
Lordship. Oblige, your lordship.
Gandu.
No, please, your lordship. Sir, lordship, we are the petitioner paid for.
What is the
provisional
case?
Pension, lordship, only provisional pension.
The withholding of his pension.
Lordship. That during the pendency of the departmental proceeding, lordship, the petitioner has declared. Process some. time to be
Departmental proceeding was initiated.
Initiated, that is continuing.
Then provisional pension was granted or not granted? Not granted.
No. That's what, your lordship, on last occasion, we were directed to obtain instructions, but that is not forthcoming, your lordship. Even till
Okay,
today.
Mr. DC Nath, Learned Counsel for the petition is present. Mr. D. Bora, Learned Junior Government Report has submitted that he has not yet received the necessary instructions in deference to the order dated 26/2025. Full stop. The petitioner is seeking provisional pension.
Provisional.
Full stop. Place the case on so and so date. To enable Mr. Bora to obtain the necessary instructions.
Oblige.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a retired superintendent of excise, my lord, who retired on July 35. But the impugn order has been passed on, my lord, 30 April 2025. That too, my retirement, after retirement. The lordship, kindly have a look at page 63, my lord. That is the impugn order. The operative part is the last.
When did you retire?
I retired 31st July.
Prior to that?
23.
Oh, 23.
23. An order has been given, my lord, on 30 April 25. Meaning thereby, my lord, now they want to cumulative effect means, my lord, my pension, my lord. Now no more salary. How the increment will come, my lord, meaning thereby.
Was it a department proceeding drawn earlier to your?
Yes, that is earlier, my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look, page 63, my lord. That will be the clear. May I read, my lord, page 63. Whereas the departmental proceeding was drawn against so and show cause notice was so 14/10/20 on the basis of the dereliction of the duty and gross violation of the government procedure while serving as a deputy superintendent of excise Barpeta so. Whereas Srimati so submitted her written statement before explaining the facts and circumstances of her case received from the
So
department.
let them respond then. This is after DP.
Yes.
Inquiry
But
report.
actually, my lord.
You participated.
Yes, I participated. Everything is all right,
Ah.
my lord. Now, my lord, last line, lord, last paragraph, lordship, kindly have a look. Therefore, the governor of Assam is pleased to impose penalty withholding one increment cumulative effect. My salary is no more there. Now, my lord, meaning thereby,
No, it is one increment, not salary.
my lord, cumulative.
Yes, there is a difference between increment and salary.
My lord, lordship will see, my lord. Therefore, the governor of Assam to impose penalty withholding one increment.
Since when?
Cumulative.
Cumulative. I have some understanding.
Last.
With or without. But since when?
One increment.
See, it has to be from a particular date, sir.
And my lord, after retirement, how can increment?
That is also an issue.
And my lord, I have placed a proceeding, same petition, my lord, for pension, they have filed a case. So,
is all
my
right.
lord,
Is he challenging this or not?
Only this is, I'm telling.
in that not, this is not challenged, my lord.
Huh? What has been challenged?
Yeah.
In this petition, what is challenged?
Only this particular.
In this petition, it is challenged, my lord. But I have placed an order, my lord, there. They have filed another case for finalization of pension, man.
My pension is the different.
Payment of provisional pension.
Provisional pension.
even if DP is not supposed complete now,
Yes.
provisional pension can be granted. That is the subject matter of this writ petition. Now here disorder is in chilling.
Let it be tagged together.
The sustainability of this order would decide the amount of pension.
Amount of pension.
But so far as provisional pension is concerned, there is no bar.
That is all.
You file your response
I
here.
file.
Have you enclosed this inquiry report, etc.?
Lordship.
Or half bucket?
No, full page, my lord.
Huh?
No, I've given all my. No. I have an next.
Annex?
Yes, page 54.
Okay.
Full, my lord. Everything I've given.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
We'll file affidavit, my lord.
File it
Yes.
because person has retired.
Yes.
Provisional pension is different.
That is together.
Two aspects. After retirement, whether this kind of penalty can be granted. Secondly, without any debt, even if it is sustainable.
From which state, it will
Yes.
apply. That is.
Otherwise, it may mean that the day she was appointed.
It
You
will,
can interpret this way or that way.
Yes.
Oh, this is in my mind. That cannot be. Here the Mohindra Singh will apply. Will apply. G.I. Barbuya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. I. Bhattacharya, Learned Standing Counsel. Excise Department. For all the respondents, for the respondent number 1 to 5. Ms. Bhattacharya, M. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 6. The having regard to the impugned order dated, contents of the impugned order dated 30/4/2025, comma, an affidavit from the counter affidavit from the respondent number 1 to 5. Appears necessary. First, Mr. Bhattacharya, Standing Counsel. Excise Department has sought for and is granted 3 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. First, is the case on
Which particular date be given, my lord?
I have said
22nd September.
Obliged, my lord.
Supplementary.
Extremely sorry, your lordship, as regard item 35, your lordship, that Jonas Joint Registrar may not be a necessary party, your lordship. We have no grievance against him. He's just working in that office, your lordship.
okay.
35.
35.
Okay, I've seen respondents in the cooperation department are allowed 3 weeks time to file their counter affidavit. This is the case of 3 weeks.
Extremely sorry, your lordship, obliged.
Supplementary list, item 55.
May I please, your lordships? My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner has been released from his service, my lord, due to superannuation, my lord, with a wrong calculation.
Date of birth.
Date of birth. My service book record, my lord, annexure 23.
Okay.
Page
They have filed their counter affidavit.
Counter affidavit.
And who is the respondent authorities?
Sericulture department.
Sericulture. Who represents sericulture?
Yeah.
Ardhor.
And record has been by order dated
A record may be required.
27/5/25. Record has been called for to ask him to produce the record.
We'll post it for admission here. Let him come, let him come.
My lord, without
Let him
receiving
come.
money.
Let him come.
Item 56.
The petitioner was superannuated on 31/12/2006.
On revision.
And since then, his pensionary benefits has not been updated, lordship. That is stagnant till date. And from the office.
Mr. Sharma, you are for whom?
I'm for the Office of the Accountant General, my lord.
And who is the main respondent? Ardhor.
My lord. My instruction is that for revision, my lord, the service book has to be corrected. And thereafter, the relevant
Here
papers
comes Ardhor.
forwarded to the office of the
Yes.
AP.
Other than the previous one, this one also, or Standing Council PWD. This one is PWD.
This one is PWD. Division of pay. Actually, what has happened, Manu, he retired on 31/12/2016. Thereafter, the new pay rules came. My lord, it was implemented from 2014, but the PPO was issued based on the earlier pay scale. So there has to be a revision based on the new pay rules, my lord. That is probably the case of the petitioner. So now the service book has to be corrected. And thereafter, the relevant papers have to be forwarded to the office of the AG again, my lord. Otherwise, we have.
Okay, let us observe then whether Mr. Dhar will obtain instruction.
Ashok, in this regard, my submission is that page 45 says that the service book, that the service book is with the office of the AG. Page 45.
They might have returned. Did
And
you
Lordship-
return?
And page 46 says that the AG office has returned. So there is a confusion.
might have
within the
returned.
department, Lordship. That is the problem.
PPO, my lord.
Mr. Zaid Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Art Hall and Standing Council, Public Works Department, for the respondent number 1211115 PWD, huh? 6 7. Mr. B. Sharma, Learned
Three, my lord.
Standing Council, Accountant General, Assam, for the respondent 3. Mordechai, Learned Counsel, Additional Senior Government Advocate for the respondent number 2 are present, post up. The issue is a revision of pay of the petitioner. In terms of the revision of pay rules affected prior to his retirement on superannuation on 31/12/2016, full stop. Mr. Hussain has submitted that for the purpose of affecting and the same has consequential effect in the pension amount of the petitioner. Full stop. He has further submitted that availability of the service book before the respondent authorities is not yet ascertained. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the official respondents shall obtain instruction as before which authority the service book of the petitioner is available as on date, and whether the necessary pay revision, whether the process for making corrections
in the pay.
Corrections in the service book as regards pay of the petitioner in terms of the revision of pay rules have been initiated or not. Yes, Mr. Dhar? List the case on so and so.
19/9. Timing matters, item 19. May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, the counsel for the respondent number 3 was supposed to obtain instruction, my lord.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, his service book was, my lord, misplaced, my lord. Therefore, we have obtained from the permission from the government, my lord, to reconstruct the service book. Thereafter, my lord, we have wrote this letter to the ADC Kokrajhar district, my lord. So now.
This is already on record.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, instruction is awaited from the BTC, my lord. Some more time may be granted, my lord.
Mr.
A was wanted to enter.
A was on petition. And Mr. S. Dr. Lance standing as Panchayat and Rural Development Department of Region. Also, Mr. Doctor has submitted that. The service book. Of the petitioner's husband.
Yes, ma'am.
Father.
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 Is required to be reconstructed. And steps have already been initiated in that connection. So doctor has got for some more time to obtain further instructions. Is the case on strength.
October.
Well,
Obliged 1510.
highly obliged.
Item 33.
It would be 30.
It's still on legs, madam.
Still on leaks. Then some other day we have to rise today because of reference. Next Friday? Friday?
Next Friday, let it be on Tuesday or so.
We have already posted many. I don't know. I have lost count. BD Das, Land Senior Counsel. Listed by Mr. HR Das, Land Counsel. What a petitioner is present. Mr. Ardhor Learned, Standing Counsel. Additional Senior Government Advocate has submitted that Mr. P. Nayak is holding the brief as he is not in a position to attend today, the case today. Mr. Dhar has sought short accommodation. As sought for is the case on Friday. Thank you.
59. Item 55.
This is legal, sir, Nikki. What you said, I forgot.
I ordered it at 27.5 direction for produce the
This
report.
is a case, it has to be hard at length, my lord. The determination of date of birth, how it is to be done.
You have filed your affidavit.
We have filed
For that
affidavit.
purpose only, I sought your appearance so that we can fix it on a proper date
My lord.
to here because it's a case of date of birth.
Date of birth, my lord. And
Okay.
he has already retired from service.
Lee Bora for a
And my
petition.
lord, record may be called for. my lord. That-
Record some.
Already,
record.
there is an order.
Already order, okay. Ardhor. You are appearing as
Standing
government
counsel.
advocate. Oh, okay, standing counsel, and standing counsel, handloom and textile department. Are present. The petitioner is seeking correction in his date of birth. Also,
Correction.
after correction,
They have released me, my lord, from my service, my lord.
the dispute is with regard to the date of birth of the petitioner.
My lord, they have recorded, Lordship may kindly peruse Annexure B, page 23.
What I am not determining now today. Okay, nothing. As agreed to by the land council for the parties, list the case on so and so. The land standing council, handloom department, textile department shall
My lord,
keep the relevant records ready.
My lord, issue rule then, this issue rule, my lord. Pleading
brief.
Small brief.
Pleading is complete, my lord.
My lord, only records can say whether there is.
Hearing the DD
After puja.
after puja.
Letter of listening.
Yes, yes. Fixed date.
23rd.
Fixed date.
23rd October.
23rd of Published.
For orders, item 38.
In this case, the petitioner has to file an imprisonment petition.
But the fact is that.
Okay, on the
really
prayer,
impact
Mr. PJ Hoikia, learned counsel for the petitioner, lays the case after 2 weeks. Whatever you want to file, file.
All right.
39.
Responding to
Provisional family pension already sanctioned.
release of family pension.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, who appeared earlier, N. Bora, Miss N. Bora, yes.
Return the pension paper for uploading in the Interlocutory portal, madam, by the order dated 18/3/2024.
All the responses have appeared.
Respondent 1 and 2 appeared, madam.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us see why it has come today. It should, one appeared, 2 appeared. It is for respondent number 3.
Madam.
Only for that purpose it has come.
He may,
Instruction.
transferred or
I don't know. It is you who will know.
instruction, madam.
What to do? You take 3 steps. Or what? Respondent number 3, not yet served.
If he is transferred, then there is no meaning regarding
That I don't know.
Lordship, if I may submit, even respondent number 1, the new incumbent commissioner has been transferred.
the transfer.
It would be, we'll have to file an implement.
You take appropriate steps. I'll just observe. Mr. K.R. Patil, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr.
AK Ghosh on behalf
A.K.
of,
Ghosh, learned counsel for the respondent number 2, and Mr.
no, Lordship, 1.
1, and Mr. B.
Deori.
Deori. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Okay, present. Mr. Pargiri has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks in order to obtain instructions and to take necessary steps in order to obtain instruction as to whether any necessity has arisen to implement new respondents and to take appropriate steps thereafter. Please the case.
One also
After-
transferred, madam.
Yes.
That you do.
My lord.
Why should I observe?
Oblige.
Take instruction from him,
My lord.
who is a new incumbent, make application for implementation, will allow.
Oblige.
Oblige, Lordship.
41.
Singh, Dilip Kumar Singh. Asked
Lordship,
today, opposition Dilip Mittal and the opposite party numbers 2 and so are added. Yes.
Lordship, in this
new.
matter, we seek some time for compliance, my lord, because what has happened is, my lord, the commissioner and secretaries have been changed for a long time. Again, the original commission secretary has come back. So he's already there, my lord. So
Okay.
some time may be given to us, my lord. And also I think one of the other secretaries.
Commissioner and secretary, he was transferred, but he's joined. and
He
then-
joined back,
Yes,
Lordship. So
secretary.
for the water resources, my lord, that is no longer there, my lord. So it's not
Yes.
illegal.
Miss Tinlung. Okay, Miss Tinlung. Learned counsel for the petition is present. Mr. A. Fukan, learned counsel who represents
Number 1. For respondent number 1.
the respondent number 1 has sought 3 weeks time to obtain up-to-date instructions in the matter. As prayed for by Mr. Fukan, is the case after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Items 42 and 43.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, this matter may come up some other day, lordship. It will require some time, lordship. They have filed, respondent 6 have filed one affidavit, lordship. So it will
Okay,
take
your
some
name, please. Name.
A Mena, lordship.
A. Mena. All are present or what? Amen. Petitioner. Bhattacharya, you have represent? 1, 2, personnel.
Yes, lordship. 1 and 2 I am appearing.
Okay. And Mr. Upavanya?
For the health department, lordship.
DUPO, Standing Council for Health and Family Welfare Department, Ms. I.M. Deka. 7, 8, and 9. Mr. Gusami. Planet, Council for the respondent. Respondent of 10 and 11 are present. Post up. Okay. As sought for by the Land Council for the parties, list the case says on daily one. What is the subject matter?
Also regarding appointment of, on basis of disability.
Appointment?
On basis of disability. Disability, Lord.
Disability.
Yes, person.
Only one. After vacation.
No, Lordship. Lordship, after.
Similar matters, Lordship, where our Advocate General, he is appearing, Lordship.
Lordship, this matter is little bit different, Lordship. That's why it is not take for us.
Okay, before.
19 September.
Highly okay.
Item 44.
May I please the Lordship?
Yes, board
As for that, this dated Lordship 6/8/25.
Which date?
6/8/2028.
6/8.
Last.
Whether the
One.
order passed in
Compliant.
Suneto has been complied with.
My lord,
What is the?
we have filed Wakalatnama for respondent number 1, my lord.
Ah,
My lord, also, in the meantime, in the month of, my lord, February or March, my lord, he transferred, my lord. But I'll take instruction on compliance, my lord.
what is the subject? What is the division?
It's verify and regularization.
Minimum scale of pay, Lordships. Similarly.
Okay, he has entered appearance, let him say.
Short time may be given, Lordship.
What short time? Everybody wants
Lord,
short time.
My lord.
Have you
at the time of
Borvial and
submitting
council
my
for the
data,
petitioner
complete
is
according to
present,
my date of
Mr.
birth.
S. Dottal and
Others
council has
present.
entered appearance for the respondent
my
number 1.
date.
And sole respondent has sought for 2 weeks time to obtain next up to date instructions. Full stop. As sought for by Mr. Dottal is the case after 2 weeks.
Fixing a date.
To enable him to obtain the necessary instruction and to place it before the court.
But that may be recorded that the.
As regards
respondent-
compliance.
Respondent already transferred, that may be recorded, my lord.
Okay. Full stop. Okay. Mr. Dottal has further submitted that the sole respondent has already been transferred out of the office of the commissioner of the.
My lord, he is the additional, he was additional chief secretary of the Panchayat department.
At a side of it. From the office of the.
He was
Principal Secretary
transferred,
to Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department.
my lord, additional chief secretary he was.
Additional secretary.
On 14 June 2025, he transferred.
On 14 June 2025.
I know.
For fixing a date, Lordship.
Now it is for you to correct it.
45.
But same department he is there, Lordship. Additional, now he additional chief secretary.
I'll
is
try
the
to take
principal secretary.
the instruction.
Earlier, his post was principal secretary. Department is same, Lord.
Department is same.
Yes, my lord.
Obtain instruction.
Yeah, I'll place it, but being an officer of the court, I have informed the court about his transfer.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Borbuzai. We have time.
Maybe it's too
Do you have time? You make me satisfied. I'll definitely issue notice. But we need some hearing from you.
Yes, absolutely. Look, so far,
Today we are running short of time.
Lordship may be pleased to fix this next week, madam.
Hukurbar did you? Hukurbar.
Next
Please the
week,
case on.
next Friday.
Please the case on Friday.
5 minutes. I'm so obliged,
We will hear you so that we can learn.
my lord,
Because I also don't know.
because
I'm not sure about the issue.
215 we have intentionally incorporated so as to escape from the rigors of limitation. That's what, my lord. I will.
And why should we? When the order is passed on concession.
Consent, my lord, and
Or whatever,
Concession.
he may not be advocate general, but state. And they have assented to it because of certain other orders.
other order.
Let us see.
My lord.
I will try to.
It is not going to be harmed by one order. We'll wait and examine.
Absolutely.
You can wait in
Yes.
this case.
Yes, yes.
You are not in hurry.
No, my lord. I am obliged.
Yes.
46 to 48.
My lord, I think 49 also same, my lord. These
What?
matters, my lord, the state has preferred an appeal in the leading case of that series, my lord. But thereafter, that appeal was dismissed on the last week. So needs some time to comply the order, my lord.
Termination Lordship 2.5 years, short made.
What kind of, okay, do you have the order?
Yes,
Let us keep it, we'll post it on a date so that the order is available with us.
Yes.
Yes, who is in who? Which item? Mr. Demotion,
46 and 47.
Learned counsel for the petition in 46, 47. Mr.
T. Kashyap in
T. Kashyap, learned counsel for the petitioner in 48. Shall we club 49 also?
49 also same, my lord.
Okay, Mr. EU Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner in 49. And Mr. S. Jotto, learned counsel for the contempt, right?
Yes,
For the respondent. I think sole respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, for the respondent.
My lord, in
Are present. Full stop. The
respondents.
learned counsel for the parties. I have placed an order dated 20/08/2025, passed in writ appeal number 256 of 2025, stating that the order will have a bearing in these cases. First of Mr. Dotto, appearing for the respondents, has sought some time to take further instructions in a matter. First of, list these cases on
17/9. 17 September.
17
Hello, please.
Item 51.
Yes, sir. Ever means second wife.
Yes.
Here is second wife, she has approached seeking benefit. Is it served or not, the first wife?
Yes, madam.
Notice has been served.
Yes, madam, today we are.
She is a party or not?
Today we are taking
Huh?
steps, madam.
We are taking steps today.
Oh, Mr. A.Y. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that inadvertently, steps for service of notice upon the private respondent could not be taken in reference to the order dated 21/3/2025. Full stop. He has sought 2 days time to take steps upon the respondent number 6 in reference to the order dated 21/3/2025. To stop the prayer is allowed, lays the case after 4 weeks. Mr. Dhor, R. Dhor, for the standing counsel, for the state respondents. Additional senior government advocate for the state respondents is in attendance.
52.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Relates to a departmental proceeding, Lordship.
What is this IA?
Lordship, in this IA, we have made 3 prayers, Lordship.
Huh?
We have made 3 prayers. There is an interim order, Lordship, wherein direction was given to provide all
It
the
needs
documents.
some
Yes.
adjudication. This IA.
Yes, Lordship.
IA.
Yes, Lordship. In this IA, we have prayed that, Lordship, since our batchmates were promoted, Lordship, and in that list also my name appeared. I am praying that the departmental proceeding may be expedited.
Okay, let it be on some other day, next week, next week.
In the meantime, I'll get instructions in the matter because we will be required to file affidavit also.
Okay, on the IA, we'll put it on the next week.
Lordship.
Okay, P. Sharma, and counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner.
Yes, yes.
And
One-
MR Odhikari.
Yes.
National Government Council. All the respondents are present, as and agreed to by the land parties, release the case on side.
5-9.
Okay, 5-9, next Friday. We'll examine that because we have to rise.
Okay.